Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Anggi Irfa Dwiyanti, student of the D3 Nursing Study Program at the Jambi Health Polytechnic. Here I will discuss my hobby, namely cooking. I have many hobbies, but cooking is my favorite hobby. When there is free time, I like to cook. I like to cook since I was little. At the time, I often saw my mother cooking. Most of the time I cook myself, but sometimes my mother helped me. Actually, she taught me to cook. I really like cooking because cooking makes me happy. I feel proud every time I see someone eat the food I make, especially when she compliments the food. Well, here I will explain what cooking is. Cooking is the activity of preparing food to eat by heating the ingredients so that they can be consumed. Cooking consists of a variety of methods, techniques, utensils, and space combination to adjust the taste to make it easier for food to digest of change food in terms of color, appearance, taste, texture, appearance, and nutritional value. Cooking in general is the preparation and process of selecting, adjusting the quantity, and mixing ingredients in a certain order in order to get the desired result. I can cook anything, but I like it the most when making cake. Yummy. In the current pandemic condition, we are encouraged to eat a healthy diet. Like the one that I often make is a fruit salad. Fruit salad is a mixture of various types of fruit which are cut into pieces and mixed together and given a dressing with a mixture of mayonnaise. We can get the various benefits of fruit salad from the various vitamin content found in fruit, like melons, which contain vitamin C, which can meet our daily vitamin C needs. There are so many benefits that we can get from this fruit salad. Basically, how to make fruit salad is very simple and easy because the ingredients are easy to find in the supermarkets. For those of you who want to try making a fruit salad, I will explain a short recipe. First, you prepare fruit such as apple, watermelons, melons, pear, and grapes. Prepare mayonnaise and a little sweetened condensed milk. The first step is to wash and peel the fruit skin, then cut the fruit, then mix the cut fruits. After that, mixing the mayonnaise and sweetened condensed milk to taste. Stir until evenly distributed. Finish. The fruit salad is ready to be served and consumed. It feels more fresh if we put in the refrigerator first. Very easy, right? Okay, this is my explanation of my hobby and healthy food during this pandemic. Sorry for all the shortcomings and mistakes in saying words. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.